Alrighty, guys. So as you can see right here, Sofi is selling off a little bit. We're down about 4 or 5%, trading at $14.80. And I figured, hey, let's do an update, break down the charts, and go over what I'm looking to do as we're selling off here. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, come on, get on it. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So man, we are selling off on Sofi. Like I said, we're down about 4.5%, trading at $14.80, and we've been selling off literally all day up until now. We're at, what time is it? 11 a.m., 11:15 a.m., so we're about an hour and a half, 2 hours into the session, and we're down about 75 cents intraday here, guys. We opened up at about 15.50, 15.55, and now we're at 14.85, and it's starting to look like we're putting in a bottom right now in the short term. We have been consolidating over the past hour, 45 minutes to an hour at about $14.75, $15. We've held that point. So let's see if we start rallying off this level. But if we take out $14.75, we might be going lower, guys. We might be going lower. On this 5-day, 5-minute, if I pull it up, now you can see we are taking out the lows from yesterday, which was Wednesday. We're also taking out Tuesday's low, and now we're pushing down to where we held on Monday, and it looks like we're almost under that point as well. If I draw this out, you can see Sofi starting to slip under Monday's price, which was right around 14.80, 14.85 in the morning. And if we do fully, fall through that point, we might be going 14.50, which we, talked about. That's where we were on the overnight market on on Monday, right? You guys remember that. So Sofi is starting to slip, no doubt. And on this 30-minute chart, if I pull it up, you can see we do have a descending triangle. Do you guys see it here? Lower highs are being made into this support at 14 to 14.50. That's what I'm noticing on this 30-minute chart. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see that as well. And you can also see, okay, if we fall through 14.50, 75, we might be going down to the mid-13s again, $14, which we talked about before here on the channel. I think I might have mentioned it in my video yesterday. As you guys can see, we're in this wedge, and now we're starting to break through, I think, the bottom of the wedge. Not fully, but yeah, we're pretty much testing it as of right now. You guys can see we're making these lower highs, but at the same time, we're fighting to hold higher lows. You guys see it on this 4-hour chart. So yeah, man, we're not fully breaking down here. We're not collapsing, quite frankly, but we are testing a critical trend line here for the bulls. We're down over 4% in the midst of a decent day for the stock market. So yeah, I wouldn't say today is the best day for Sofi. Let's just say that. But I did tell you guys I'm looking to buy more of the stock if we break to the downside here. And it might happen. It might happen. We might break to the downside here, start falling through $14.50, $14. And if that happens, yeah, I'll be buying more. I mentioned to you guys before here on the channel, you all know I bought more about a week to 10 days ago at $15.50. I bought more Sofi, and you obviously know I've been in the stock for a while. I started buying in the $5, $6 range. So everybody that comments, oh, Stas, oh, Sofi, it's been going down the last couple of days. Some people are so short-sighted, it's insane. Yeah, it's been going down the last couple of days, but it's up hundreds of of percentage points from where we first started talking about it, right? So you guys, I mean, some comments, you should see the ones I get here on YouTube, guys. They're kind of funny, but people need patience in the stock market, man. They're so short-sighted. The stock hit $18 literally 7 days ago, and people are freaking out in my comments now that we're selling off for a couple of days while we're still holding an uptrend, while we're still up hundreds of percentage points. So relax, chill out. If you're freaking out about this, this is no big deal at all. Still technically up hundreds of percent. We're still holding an uptrend, a higher low. We just hit 1850 6, 7, 8 days ago, right? Which is a multi-year high. So relax. Those people out there freaking out in the comments, oh my God. You gotta relax, man. This still looks really good on the charts, and I'm gonna buy more. Personally, I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I will buy more if we slip just a little bit more, because I just bought at 1550. I don't want to rush in and buy again here at 1480 when I could wait and see if it goes down even more. I could buy it at a lower price, right? That's the way I'm thinking about Sofi right now. So yeah, that's a quick breakdown, guys. We're selling off down about now 3.9%. So we're starting to rally. You guys see on the intraday, we're starting to rally a little bit here. You see that, and we'll see if we break out heading into the second half of the day. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. And by the way, did you join my email list yet? It's free, and I send out my top stocks every week. That is linked down below. Make sure to put your first name and your email address, guys. You won't regret it. And now let me show you some other movers on my watch list. It looks like here Hershey's is moving. HSY, it's up almost 4%. Looks like the company just reported earnings. Hershey reported adjusted EPS of $2.69, which beat the $2.37 expected. All right. Sales also beat $2.89 versus $2.84 billion expected. All right. And wow, their guidance is pretty bad. Oh, my goodness. Full year 25 adjusted EPS of $6 to $6.18. That's what they're projecting. Analysts, on the flip side, were projecting $7.36. So, yeah, a lot worse than the analysts' expectations. But sales were above the estimates for full year 25. They're expecting $11.42 billion versus $11.4 billion expected. Not bad for Hershey. Not bad at all, but the stock, it's still beaten down. It's up on the day, but it's still beaten down in the grand scheme of things. Maybe we start to reverse in due time, but we do have to break out of 160 to 170 to even do that. So I'm going to set my alert at $160 per share. Mark is at or above, and we might as well do one more stock quickly here. Airbnb is moving 2.3% in the green right now. Still pretty flat over the last couple of months, but we're starting to gain a little momentum into earnings, which are coming out in a week from today. So next Thursday, guys, after the bell, we're getting Airbnb's earnings. And if I get this channel tool out, you guys can see right here, we are pretty much testing the top of the channel right now. And if this level breaks, maybe after earnings on a guidance beat or just in general on numbers, if this beats, not guaranteed, or not beats, but breaks, not guaranteed, obviously, but if it does, we have a lot more upside based on the charts. I don't know. What do you guys think? But that's all I got for this video. Make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subs. And guys, don't forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.